And she's rolling. Here's what we have today. Mercury, 5 horsepower. Would you look at that thing? Oh my goodness. Woo! What we're going to try to do today is get this thing running in the barrel. So right now it doesn't run. It was low in compression. I quickly did a really dirty hone job, as in I didn't even take the piston out of the cylinder, I just fucking... So, we are going to try to make this run. We're going to see what happens. I also know right off the bat that the fuel line is bad, i.e. I cut it right there, because I had to go get a new fuel line, I had to make it all purdy, all that fun stuff. So, replace this line, throw some fuel into it, hopefully it just decides to run. Yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Hey, let's get to it. Let's get my fuel line. Stop fucking around. Oh, you guys are gonna be pumped actually. I might be getting a free lawnmower. Not just any lawnmower, a ride-on lawnmower. Look at that coffee. See if this helps or just ultimately makes this worse. Would you look at that? Wow. Somewhat helps with the ambiance. Yeah. I think this fuel line's just going to come off. I don't have to fight with it too much, maybe. Maybe not. Just maybe. Might be what we're looking for. Yep, there we go. Just like that. Ooh, smells like gas. Oh baby. Doing good work over here. Not even trying. I don't like these little clips, but that's what we got, so I'm just gonna reuse them. Probably just bend the fuck out of them before I put them in. Call her a day. That's what we'll do. That's all a man can do. Oh, don't break. Don't break. Yes. Let's go this little boy. And hose cutter McGee here. Ba-doo. That's maybe not even the right size. I don't fucking know. Gotta be honest. I mean, it's the right size. What the fuck? No, that's good enough. We will make it fit. One way or another. It's gonna be a huge fucking pain in the hole, but we'll make it fit. Huh. Is that a design feature or is that just how they work? Design feature is just how they work. Very intelligent. Want to see something greasy for getting hoses on fittings? Lick your fingers a little. Give her a little fucking dab or do. Yes. Just what the doctor ordered. Come on. It's probably never going to come off again. But we don't care. Not really. I think that's a fucking design feature. Oh my goodness. If you notice that the little loops interlock there. Oh. Fancy. Fancy. Let's try to get this bitch on first. Well. Would you look at that? Wow, I can't believe that's actually how that works. I have never noticed that before. Wow. How rough is this going to be? We will find out here in a second. Tell you that for free. Ew. Could just take the carburetor off and make life 1,000 times easier. If I struggle, a little more than I should with this, then we'll go from there. How about it, eh? Yeah, fuck. I'm just taking this fucking carburetor off. Enough of fucking with that. No, I don't want to take the carburetor off. Ooh, I gotta figure this out. I don't want to take the carburetor off because I sealed in behind there. Just a little bit of gasket sealer, nothing crazy, but either way, I put sealant on it, so that means I have to reseal if I take it off, and that's going to be a giant pain in the cock. Gotta be honest. Wonder what happens if I take this off. Give me just a little more room. Might be all we need. Might be all we need. Oh yeah. Should do it. A really good pair of needle nose pliers. Really come in handy right now. These fucking things half broken, but might do the trick. They might do the trick. All you're gonna see is me struggling for my fucking life on YouTube. Yes, baby! Ooh, ouch. Yes. Get in there. Get in there, you cocksucker. You motherfucking piece of shit, cocksucker. Get in there. Start to smell burning. I feel those are my sketchy work lights making that smell. Or I'm stroking out. One of the two. Either option would be bad, right? I'd take either one. You fucking tell them. I can't believe I got that on. Oh my goodness. I'm just that good. I'm just that good sometimes. I say that sarcastically too. I'm not. I hope nobody would ever take me seriously when I say that. Just that good. Read her like. Yeah, not that. Right about there. Right about there, eh? Little CH on the end. Do-do-do. Now. Ew. Look at the pliers. I'll keep these pliers now because they worked. They're already in my toolbox anyways, so. Yeah. Get in there. Something like that. So it stops kinking. Just kinking real nice. Bit of a zip tippity tweet. I don't know what I'm saying, folks. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Yep. Good enough for the girls I go. Woo! Look all fancy like, tuck it away. Oh, yeah. Well, what do you say? Give her a test? Give her a go? May or may not run. If she flashes up, I'll be happy. So, if we can pump it and it gets something, we're doing good. Let's open the door as well. It's gonna be snagging. They were just out of fuel. Honestly, below the pickup. It's very surprising, actually, but ooh, some of this nonsense in there. Chainsaw fuel, that is oil in it. That'll be fine. Anyway, now let's see what happens. What am I doing wrong here, folks? Might do it. Fucked up O-ring. Would that do it though? Let's add a bit in there too for extra flavor. Hey. Now I don't know why. What am I doing? Should the vent be closed? Let's see if this works. Why not? Probably not what you should do, but that O-ring's gone anyways, so let's see what happens. Oh yeah, that was the problem. What do you think? Just fucking rip her and pull? See what happens? That's kind of what I want to do. I just want to fucking give her a drag. Give her a drag. Let's see. Look at that. Like nothing. Like nothing. Oh, that's exciting. Well, boys and girls, get this thing to turn over. Let's see here again. Let's see if we can get it to flash up. Oh, isn't even connected? Let's see. Oh, I don't feel pissing anywhere yet. We're doing good. Oh, she flashed. Oh, yeah, I need. Ugh. Fuck. Need a new line as well. It's just pissing all over me. Fucking. Look at that. Would you look at that? Damn, that actually runs kind of nice. Gotta be honest. She runs. All cinematic shot here. Look at that fucking haze. One step closer to being on the water. Oh. Fucking listen to that. Woo. Yeah, she runs quite well. Pretty pretty happy with it. Let's fucking rub her up again too. Definitely want to rev. Soon, once I get a new line, that's what I'll do. Just do fucking that, or just kill the compression. Why is she not running now? Why you not running now? Some jumped up carburetor. Yeah, I'm just assuming the carburetor. I'll probably do that another night. But it's a little warm. Let's do a compression check real quick.